morning guys, my name is the Old Mechanic and welcome back in my shed. What are we gonna do today? Well guys, this is my own BMW, an R1200GS from 2010. And what we're gonna do today on my Beamer is renew this rubber, what is it, harmonica thing, and it's in the triangle of the Telelever system. Well, we have to take it apart and renew it as the old one is cracked. So I would say, come on over and we start. Guys, by the way, what you hear is my van, and it's what I'm gonna show you. See, it's on top of my stove and it blows the warmth of my stove into my shed. So that's, yeah, that noise that you hear. Guys, over there is that rubber. There. And over here it's cracked, as you maybe can see. But over here is a, wait a minute, a bit nut, and I need to warm it up. This is a socket, especially for over here. I bought it with a 12 star, not 6 as usual, because with 12 you can rotate it a tiny bit, as we have to torque it at the end. And over here is a, let's see what it is, if it's a Torx or an Allen in here. Take my mirror and have a look in there what it exactly is. Need a flashlight and have a look inside. It's an Allen. Yep. And I see the green Loctite. Guys, let's see which Allen it is. Nope. This maybe. Ooh. Oi. Hopefully I have that one too. Maybe it's 7. Let's have a look. Yes. It's 7, but later on we have a problem. I don't think I have an Allen key of 7. Let's have a look around. It's nicely warm in here. Yes, I like it. Oh. Stove is burning, watch. Oh, nicely warm. Now, guys, these are all old Allen keys that I collected over the years. So let's see if I have a 7 in here. I think this is 8. Yep. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute, Mr. Postman. Nope. I do have a 7, but That should fit. Yep. I have to order one. Because I don't have a 7. Guys, I'm gonna leave you for now. I have to order a new Allen key of 7. So guys, I'm back again. I went inside on my computer and looked online for a 7mm Allen key. Well, that's not a common size. It's all 6 or 8, and as you have seen, I have a lot of 6 and 8 keys, but no 7. So I ordered one. No, I ordered 2. You never know, eh? And hopefully I get it tomorrow. But for now, we can still move on. This is the nut. Guys, I need to heat it up. Guys, I have a wet cloth and I'm going to put it here. So I don't want the heat to go in my... So, as I need to heat that nut up. Guys, I think yes. Guys, now we have to, let's see, more light over there. Yes, I think this will do. Get to the other side. My fluke and see what the temperature is now. It says now 13 degrees and it needs to be 100. So be very careful, guys. This is open fire. Luckily you have a huge fire extinguisher at hand, within reach. Let's carefully look what the temp is now. Doesn't go that quick. 33. See? That goes much quicker. 47. See? 62. Guys. Now, let's gonna give it a try. 21. Yes, there he goes. Yes, guys, wasn't that? Yes. Oh, and this one. There. This one. Yes. Now, need some more heat. I feel that it's starting to cool down. Okay, make, oh, oops, 21, yes, yep, yes, guys, there he goes. Yes. Oops. Hoppa. Now, this out of the way. And this out of the way. If this is, yeah, this is all hot. So, see. Cool it down for now. So my wet cloth. Oh, guys, nice. Glad. See, it's aluminium, so this and warm.